the REFY Glow. Well, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be focusing on is the REFY Glow, the REFY Summer Glow, a beautiful natural look, a beautiful natural glow, and I'm really going to be showcasing the new Skin Finish water-based powder. I'm going to let you guys know if it's worth the money. It retails for $32, and I'm going to be trying it on. I have really oily skin, so I'm going to be trying it on and seeing what it looks like, and I really want to do like a full face of REFY and the glow, and I just love the look. She does her makeup. I love the brand and what it represents, and it's just beautiful. So I am going to be starting all of it. I got the Duo brush for the bronzing, so I'll be doing bronzing. I already did a little bit of like light eye makeup. This is light for me. Very natural because I want to do like a natural glow, and I haven't done my brows, and I did do a little bit of foundation, but that's about it. We're going to be starting with the cream bronzer. It's in the color Sand, and they recommend using the Duo brush to put it on. You kind of use the fluffier part to put it on, and then the more dense part you use to blend it into your face and really contour and make your face look beautiful. So here's the bronzer. Look at that packaging. I just love that. Very, very sleek. Very like just pretty and simple, and I do really like that clean look. So let's go ahead and start this REFY Glow and start sculpting the face. I'm going to dab into this and just kind of start putting it on. So you only need a tiny bit. This stuff really spreads really easy. So we're going to be going into the more dense part, and we're going to dip in. I've barely used any. And we're going to do a little bit more contouring. Just a little bit, because we want it more natural. I feel like that's the REFY look, is more of a natural look. A natural, beautiful, bronzy look. I've been noticing on TikTok, people have been doing it the contour this way, so I guess I can try that out a little bit. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but we're gonna keep trying. Look at that natural glow. Okay, I'm gonna do a little on my nose, just a tiny bit, like at the tip. Alright, so let's try this water-based skin finish powder. It's a setting powder. I got it in the shade 2, which is like the rosy shade. It's a water-based powder. Leaves your skin looking like skin. It's natural, pore reducing makeup fixer that removes unwanted shine, which is my best friend because I have unwanted shine all the time. It smooths, hydrates, and sets skin for the perfect finish without mattifying. I'm absolutely in love with that. Skin Finish comes in 2 universal shades, 01 which has a yellow or warm undertone, and 02 which has a pink or cool undertone. So that's definitely more my alley, is number 2. So let's get this baby opened up and we're gonna try it out. They also suggest that you buy the sponge with it, the beauty sponge. So I do really like the sponge. I like how it's contoured. It feels really, really good. High quality. This is what it looks like. Skin finished water-based powder. I really liked the water-based part, especially with my acne-prone skin. That's what it comes with. Keep this lid on after use. So they really stress that. I think even in the directions they stress that. Alright, so that's what it looks like. That's the color that I got. And there's already some at the top, so I'm just gonna go ahead and like dip in with this like more flat corner and start to, oh my gosh, it's like literally goes on like it's wet. Oh, that's so nice. It really is like a water-based formula. What? That is amazing. It's like, it feels wet on the skin, but it sets really nice. That is lovely. I think honestly you just press in it, not tap it out, because it is more of like a wet formula. It's really not good with trying to tap it out, but it really does go on like nothing. Like look at that. Like there's nothing there, but it smooths everything. Alright, let's try the forehead. Guys, this is so cool. It just comes out like wet, making my skin look so flawless. What? Oh my god. What? It literally is water-based, like they're not lying. I absolutely love that formula. Okay, so this is gonna go in my top drawer. Let me use the rest in this cap because I was able to get some out. We're gonna use the cream blush now. I'm probably just gonna dab into it with my sponge as well. And I got the color, the shade Rose. I really like it. It kind of reminds me of the Kylie Jenner one, Illegal, but this one was a little bit brighter. So it just comes in this packaging. Look at this cute little thing. REFY. Alright, there we go. So it comes and all has mirrors, which I love. So we're gonna go ahead and start applying that. I'm just gonna use like this side here where I haven't touched any powder, and go ahead and start buffing that in. Ooh, that's such a pretty pink. That's really pretty. That is such an amazing formula, and it glides on so well over the powder, and it just gives me like the most beautiful summer glow. I absolutely love that. That color is so pretty, and it actually shows up better than the Kylie one that was like a lot of the same color, and this is perfect for summer. Like this and the bronze together, perfect for summer, perfect summer look. We are going to do our brows next. I've never used the REFY brow stuff, but stage 1 is sculpt, stage 2 is pomade, stage 3 is pencil. I watched a tutorial on how the designer of this does it, so we're going to do it exactly how she's showed to do it. So first of all, we're gonna sculpt. That's what it says to do. Stage 1, sculpt. Stage 2 is pomade. So the pomade literally has the top part, which is a brush, and then the bottom part, which is an actual pomade that goes in there. So that's super nice. And I'm gonna have to use a mirror for this. And I guess you kind of like draw the strokes on and it helps lift up the eyebrows. Wow, that really does a good job. It makes them look very natural, very full. You see, I didn't have to do much, and they made my brows look a million times better and fuller. That's the main thing. Wow, I'm really, really impressed with this. I never tried it before, but I always wanted to, and I just had so many other products, so I'm really glad I tried this. So then the very last thing you do is the pencil. And I got that in light as well. So it has a brush in the end, it's very slim. And then look at that, that's so fine. You can definitely draw some very hair-like strokes with that, so we'll do that. And then of course if you want to define your brows a bit more, you can do that. Yeah, I am like really in love with this brow kit, like extremely. Yes! Oh my gosh, okay, so I really, really love the brow kit. It makes the biggest difference. Look at those brows. So now I'm going to use the gloss highlighter, gloss illuminator. I've never tried this before. I got this shade in Topaz. I think that's the only shade they have. Because I actually bought this from the actual REFY site. It comes in like a tube like this, and we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit. Ooh, that is beautiful. Alright, so we are going to apply this where the highlighter goes. I might put some on my nose too, just like a little bit. Kind of almost like a petroleum type of feel as well. Almost like the Danessa Myricks, if you guys ever use like the skin balms that she has, or the highlighting balms, or anywhere balms, that's kind of how it is. I really like that. That's pretty. It gives like a wet, dewy look. Like you just had the best facial ever. Alright, so going off of REFY just for a little bit, I'm going to try the new Buxom Extrovert Mascara. I just got this stuff in black. It looked really good. I got it off their website. Look how fat that mascara bottle is. I always love Buxom though. I mean, they like to thicken everything up, so that's what the wand looks like. It kind of like twists. It's like a twisty look. Alright, so let's try this baby out. Yes, that did a really good job. Keep in mind I have like 2 whole eyelashes, so that really did a good job. Zoom in and see what you guys think. Not bad. Alright, and then last but not least, we are going to be using the lip sculpt. So the lip sculpt comes in lots of colors. I've been pushing this stuff so much because it's literally my new favorite lip product ever. You want to talk about plumping lips? They finally came back in stock. I grabbed every single color because I've been in love. I've been using the Rosewood, but I'm going to be probably using the blush because I want to keep with the more natural summer glow look. They are so good. It has the liner, and the way they do it is, I will show you for those of you who haven't gotten it yet. You line the lips on the outside. Because you know the new trend right now to make your lips look extra big is just kind of just to stick with a lining technique. And you just kind of feather in slowly. Like that. And then on the other side is the setter. So you don't want to completely go in all the way. You set the lips with the setter on the other side. And literally the stuff won't budge. Like, it is so good. Like, the setter is amazing. So I'm just gonna follow up with the highlighter. That's what I wanted to do. I didn't get the gloss because I have so many glosses. So I'm just gonna put the highlighter on as a gloss. And it makes your lips like so extra juicy and plump. Sorry for all of you that hate that word, but it's literally like what it does. Alright guys, so this is the Summer Glow look, the REFY Glow look. I had already just did a little bit of eye makeup, but I really wanted to showcase the new powder. The new powder is amazing. I'm gonna put a TikTok up about it because it is so good. I'm gonna do my best. I'm still learning at that. I really love the lips. The bronzing is beautiful. The brows, of course, most people knew about the brows, but I needed to try it for myself, and for anyone who hasn't tried it, there you go. And the gloss, I love, like the face highlighter, so good. And it actually doubles as a gloss because it's a gloss highlighter. So what do you think of this summer look? Would you wear it? Would you purchase these products if you haven't or tried them? I can tell you this is some of my favorite purchases, and I'm going to be putting them in my top drawer. And also the brush, definitely a must. I really like it. And I really liked the sponge. The sponge was just perfect. That was the blush, that was the powder. I also definitely recommend that Buxom mascara. It really definitely helped with my two little lashes to make them look like there's at least 10. So I'm pretty happy about that. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. If you like the content, if you like seeing new purchases, new products, new releases, try on hauls, everything, that is what I do. I do skincare, I do everything. I do a little bit of everything. So if you like this stuff, please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and tune back in. I upload weekly, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.